Hello. I wanted to go over some ideas to assist our clients when working with them online, being that COVID has restricted some of our clients and that our parents might not feel comfortable with being out in the community. We have the option of them being able to do Zoom right now. So, in order to help them still achieve their goals and be engaged and have fun with the session, I have come up with some ideas that have helped me when working with my client online. So these are just a few websites that are out there. I know there are more, but these are ones that I have used. Boom Learning is great. You can go into their library. They have all these different cards. They're interactive. You can share. When you share your screen on Zoom, there is an option to give your clients control of your screen. So that way they can play the game and they can, or you can just ask them and you can hit it for them. ABCA has a lot of great resources, a lot of learning stuff. I use this one mainly for the money games. There is a money bingo that is great at helping our friends learn to count money and understanding the value of money. Pear Deck I am still getting used to. I've just learned it recently, but there is a free option and you can have questions and have your client on their end be able to answer them and you can kind of see what they're doing. And then there's Kahoot, which is so much fun. And I have done Kahoot with using my clients' goals and putting it in a game form and making it like a fun game. For example, I had a picture of a boy wearing shorts and sandals standing in the snow. And the question was, is the boy wearing the right clothes for the weather? And it's a simple yes or no. And it can be as simple as that, or it can be more engaged, but whatever their goals are and wherever your client is, you can tailor it to them. And I really enjoy that one, and so do the clients. I use Zoom Whiteboard all the time. I use it as a graphic organizer. We'll play games sometimes, maybe like Hangman or Tic-Tac-Toe, things like that, just to kind of give them a break, something that they might want to do or let them doodle. Because again, you can share your screen on their end and have them control the screen. I'm not quite sure how that works with the whiteboard, but as I have not tried that, but that is an option to look into. So I do graphic organizers, though. I have them work on things, as a lot of our clients, they need to work, a lot of our clients are working on self-advocacy and confidence. Confidence is a big one. So knowing, having them answer, having them tell you what they might want to work on for themselves. What are their goals? What are their strengths? Positive affirmations about themselves. So here's an example. This is just a simple example of one thing you can do with them. I'll write, what people like about you. So I'll ask the client, what do people like about you? Or what do you like about you? Nice, helpful, good dancer, things like that. And it just gets the client answering and understanding and seeing, hey, giving them a nice little confidence boost. So then some other ideas are mock shopping online. I have one client that loves Bath and Body Works. So we'll go online, we'll look at different things that she likes. I will show her how to add it to the cart. I will explain the shipping and the tax, and we'll kind of go over that. Again, another thing for the whiteboard, you can kind of show her or him how to calculate that. Even if they don't really quite understand how it's working, just a visual, just something to show them. Another great thing is virtual field trips. Virtual field trips are fun and they are all over the place. Pretty much anywhere you can think of, you'll be able to Google a virtual field trip. If the place doesn't have one themselves, there's usually somebody that has one that they've made. I make sure just to review it first, just to make sure that it is appropriate for our clients. So you can look in, I think just about every museum has a virtual field trip. Aquarium of the Pacific, I know, has a great one. You can even look at like different rides on Disneyland or somewhere in a different country, like a different museum that's in a different country or a different state. Just fun things, something engaged. You know what your client likes, what they might be interested in seeing. So that's just something you can look up. But again, I would usually caution you to just check it first because you want to make sure it's an appropriate video for your client to watch. So that's it. That's just a few ideas to keep your client engaged and have fun. Again, you know your client the best, and just try to tailor it to their goals and to their likes and keep them as engaged as possible and still making it a fun experience for them. Thank you.